Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you 3 easy ways of doing sum of numbers in Microsoft Excel. The numbers that you are seeing on the screen right now is some general statistics of number of companies in a state based on the company type. We will use this data as a sample for our demo. The first way is the easiest of all. If you want to quickly get the sum of a range of cells, all you need to do is select the range and look in the lower right corner of the Excel window. Here you can see the sum of the cells that you have selected as well as the count of the cells and average of those numbers. The second method is using the AutoSum wizard. Select an empty cell directly above or below the range that you want to sum, and on the Home or Formulas tab on the ribbon press AutoSum and then Sum. Excel will do the rest for you. In the third way, we write the formula ourselves. Suppose you want to get the sum of all manufacturing companies in this sheet. Then just select an empty cell and write the formula as equal to sum opening bracket and then select the range of cell whose sum you want to take and then close the bracket and hit enter. You can see that we have got the sum of the manufacturing companies in the sheet. Hope you understood these 3 easy ways of doing sum in Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated with latest videos.